7 reasons why your girlfriend is not talking to you, and how to fix it. Relationships are like a dance, sometimes graceful, sometimes awkward. And when your girlfriend stops talking to you, it can feel like the music has stopped altogether. That silence can be deafening, leaving you with a swirl of emotions: confusion, guilt, frustration, and maybe even panic. But don't lose hope. Her silence doesn't automatically mean the end of your relationship. In fact, there are many reasons why your girlfriend might not be talking to you, and understanding these reasons can bring you closer to fixing things. From misunderstandings to needing space, here's a complete guide to help you navigate these tricky waters. 1. Misunderstandings. Let's face it, communication isn't always easy. Words can get twisted, and even the smallest misunderstanding can create tension. Maybe you made an offhand comment that came across the wrong way, or she misinterpreted something you said. Imagine this. You joke about her new haircut, saying, "Wow, someone's getting bold." You meant it as a compliment, but she took it as criticism. Now she's giving you the silent treatment. Sound familiar? How to fix it? Clarify your intentions. Think about what you said and how it might have been misinterpreted. A sincere, "I think I might have said something that upset you, and I didn't mean to," can go a long way. Apologize. Even if you didn't mean to hurt her, acknowledging her feelings shows you care. 2. She feels ignored. Relationships thrive on attention, and if your girlfriend feels neglected, she might shut down emotionally. Maybe you've been glued to your phone, prioritizing work, or spending more time with friends than with her. How to fix it? Actions speak louder than words. Show her she matters by planning a surprise date, cooking her favorite meal, or simply spending quality time together. Communicate consistently. A quick text to check in or a random "I miss you" message can remind her that she's on your mind. 3. She's dealing with emotional distress. Sometimes, her silence has nothing to do with you. Life can be overwhelming, and she might be dealing with her own issues, whether it's a tough day at work, a fallout with a friend, or family drama. How to fix it? Be patient. Don't push her to talk before she's ready. Instead say, "I'm here for you whenever you want to talk." Offer support. Ask how you can help. Sometimes, just knowing you're there is enough to ease her burden. 4. She needs space. No matter how strong your relationship is, everyone needs time to recharge. If your girlfriend has been juggling school, work, family, or other responsibilities, she might need some time to herself. How to fix it? Respect her boundaries. Give her the space she needs without taking it personally. Let her know, "I understand if you need some time for yourself. I'll be here when you're ready." Focus on yourself. Use this time to pursue your own hobbies, reconnect with friends, or even just relax. 5. Fear of conflict. Conflict can be intimidating, especially if she's afraid of confrontation. If she's avoiding certain topics or shutting down instead of addressing issues, it might be because she doesn't want to argue. How to fix it? Create a safe space. Reassure her that disagreements are normal and can be handled respectfully. Listen actively. Instead of defending yourself, focus on understanding her perspective. 6. Hurt feelings. Sometimes, the silence stems from something you said or did that hurt her feelings, even if it was unintentional. Maybe you forgot an important date or brushed off her concerns. How to fix it? Apologize sincerely. Say, "I'm sorry if I hurt you. That wasn't my intention, and I care about how you feel." Take responsibility. Avoid shifting blame or downplaying her feelings. Show her that you're willing to make things right. 7. Stress or pressure. Life can be overwhelming, and your girlfriend might be dealing with stress from work, school, or personal issues. Her silence could be a reflection of her mental and emotional exhaustion. How to fix it? Be understanding. Recognize that her silence isn't about you. Offer support without adding to her stress. Help where you can. Whether it's running an errand or simply being a listening ear, small gestures can lighten her load. How to make your girlfriend forgive you? If her silence is because of something you did, don't lose hope. It's not too late to make amends. Here's how. Acknowledge your mistake. Take responsibility without making excuses. Apologize sincerely. A heartfelt "I'm sorry" can go a long way. Show change. Actions speak louder than words. If she felt ignored, start making her a priority. Give her time. Healing takes time. Don't rush her to forgive you. Signs of a toxic relationship. Before diving deeper into resolving issues, it's important to recognize if a silence stems from a toxic dynamic. A toxic girlfriend might criticize or belittle you frequently, control your actions, friends, or decisions, make you feel guilty for prioritizing your own happiness. If you notice these patterns, consider seeking advice from a trusted friend, family member, or counselor. Remember, a healthy relationship should build you up, not tear you down. Final thoughts. When your girlfriend isn't talking to you, it's easy to jump to conclusions or let anxiety take over. But remember, silence doesn't always mean the relationship is over. It could be a sign that something needs to be addressed, understood, or fixed. Approach the situation with patience, empathy, and an open heart. By understanding these 7 reasons and addressing them thoughtfully, you can turn moments of silence into opportunities for growth and deeper connection. Relationships aren't about avoiding conflict. They're about navigating challenges together. So, take a deep breath, reach out to her with kindness, and remember, love is a journey, not a destination. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.